Today we're showing you a 2014 Massey Ferguson 1736 tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with cab, heat, and air. Tractor was traded in from a fellow in New York who was using it to maintain solar fields. The tractor does have some bumps and bruises on the top of the cab as well as in the fenders. Looks as if the hood has also been repainted on the tractor, which is probably kind of hard to pick up here in the video, but it does appear as if the hood has been repainted. Tractor has right around 600 hours on it. There are no known mechanical issues with the tractor. The air conditioning does blow cold. It's got the two doors in the cab, mirrors on both sides. You can see this here in the video or not, but you see some damage here on the top of the cab. Looks like it was repaired, and the fenders here also have got some bumps and bruises on them. 3-point hitch, 540 PTO. Toolbox back here, and then again here you also have some damage on the back of the cab. And you can also see pictures in the listings on that, and the listing of the damage there. And the fender here also has some dents in it and so forth. So take a look. It's certainly not a showroom tractor. It's got some dings and dents, but it is a running, working tractor. It has a hydrostatic transmission with 3 ranges. You got your cruise control, hydrostat module for your response time, then also your max speed right here to the left. Tilt steering wheel, 3-point, and also has a loader control. If you want to add a loader to the tractor, you can do that in the future. It's got the loader control right there in the cab. 2 pedals on the floor there for forward and reverse. This is one of our budget-friendly tractors. It is selling as is, where is. Again, no known mechanical issues with the machine. If you have any questions regarding the tractor, please feel free to contact us at masttractor.com. We can arrange shipping anywhere here within the U.S. We can also offer low-rate financing for qualified customers. If you have any questions regarding this unit, again, please contact us at masttractor.com.